I am going to put everything back in the box. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm not going to pack it quite so tight, and I might acquire a few more boxes so that I can put things in there in different sorts of ways. While I discuss with him what we're going to want to do with these things. So I can turn that. And then I'll take the candy and the ram's head and I'll mess with them a little bit while him and I discuss options. I think it might be fun to do some automotive body work on some toys for Luke. I love the idea of building a frame. It might be nice if I could figure out a way to make wheels and axles, wouldn't it? That would be tricky. I don't have a clue how you would do that. But something for us to work on, something for us to work on together. I like Luke. He's a good egg. I like the idea of us having some projects. He was talking about, doing things like making a trailer out of that refrigerator, and he's proposed helping me paint the guy's truck and stuff. So I just think it'd be kind of fun to get together with him and do some stuff. So I'm going to throw away all this plastic and then move things around and maybe set things where I can better work on them. I don't know if y'all got a good chance to see my shirt before, but I might have been standing too close. It says, I shoot cars. I like that. Okay then. Love y'all. See you soon. I guess having these things to work on kind of gets back to something I was saying earlier today out in the garage. I was talking about how if you don't have a goal or a purpose, you can get to feeling kind of purposeless or goal-less or useless. Maybe that's the word I'm looking for. So having, something to do, like helping somebody fix up some toys, it's a good thing. It's a really good thing. And I was telling Luke, I said, well, we're going back to Georgia before too long, and I don't really know what I'm going to be doing around here for the next little while because I'm kind of caught up on everything. So I said, if you send me some of your toys to work on, it'll give me something to do. Give me something to make videos out of too. Now I think I remember him saying that this truck with the dump on it and this cab would go together, except that there's not anything to hinge this cab onto out here. And I think one of the things he wanted to do is like build something out from the front of here with this cab. You see that little thing there? Just build a way to hinge that out. Now I think the first thought I had was get me a hinge and just spot weld the hinge onto this and spot weld the other end onto this so that flips up. Or if I don't want to spot weld it, I could shoot some screws into it. I wouldn't want to shoot screws out here, but if I got the right hinge, I could actually make the hinge look sort of like a bumper here on the front. See, this is the kind of project that we could sort of join forces on, make it work together. I'm liking that idea. I'm liking them ideas. But I'm going to have to talk to Luke to get some clarity, because he's the man when it comes to all of his stuff here. So, okay.